Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to show you how you can change your Facebook name. So the first thing you're going to do is open your Facebook app. So when you open your Facebook app, when you get to the home page, so you click on this three lines over here. Sorry. So you click sorry. So you click on these three lines over here. Can you see these three lines over here? So after clicking on it, so you click on, you scroll all the way down, you search where you see something called settings. So you click on the settings, you click on personal details. So when you click on personal details, you click on this, your profile. So you click on the profile you want to change the name. So when you click on it, so you now come and click on name. So you have the opportunity to edit the name. Okay, get what I'm trying to, you can edit the name to whatever you want. And mind you, before you do that, remember that you can only change this once in a single in like 60 days. So think very well before you change any name on your Facebook account. So please subscribe to this channel for more content about Facebook. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.